this is not going to be easy for you, mate. But I'll make it as gentle as I can.
Oh! And here it goes right here.
Oh wow.
There it is.
That is crazy.
Just in case, we're going to bring the end point of the end of the joint play right here. Great. Go ahead, breathe in and then breathe out. That's it. Beautiful. And then right here, we'll go ahead and adjust.
Wow.
There it is.
But I don't think.
Just relax the Shika. And that's the adjustment. Constant technique. And now on to C2. And similar, we take the leg to tension, and then it's there. There you go. That was good. That was tough, mate.
Perfect. Relax your shoulder. There we go. There we go. That was loud. That was loud. In here. A little bit lower. Perfect. Now face down. Get that. There we go. And other side. Back this way. There we go. Perfect. Good.
We'll just go right here. I'll give it a quick little bump, and it makes a lot of noise.
I'm going to drop down to this side. Perfect. There we go. Oh, that was a great one. There we go. Relax your shoulder here. There we go.
いいよ。はい、力抜いて吐いて。そう、いきます。
Gently move this over. That a girl. And over here for me. Perfect.